The human body needs carbohydrates to function. They are essential for proper digestion and help the body to absorb important vitamins and minerals. Here are 3 healthy carbohydrate foods that your body needs. 1. Oats. Oats are a great source of soluble fiber, which can help with cholesterol control and blood sugar management. They're also a good source of protein and minerals like iron and magnesium. 2. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of vitamins A and C, potassium, and fiber. They're also low on the glycemic index, making them a good choice for people with diabetes or prediabetes. 3. Quinoa. Quinoa is a nutrient-rich grain that's high in protein, fiber, and vitamins and minerals like magnesium, iron, and zinc. It's also low on the glycemic index, making it a good choice for people with diabetes or prediabetes. Subscribe to the channel for more videos on health and nutrition.